Hello, this is Clifford, and today I'm going to review Phonesites. Okay, so you can see my screen. I have my phone reflecting there. Okay, and before anything, I would like to disclose that I'm an affiliate of Phonesites, and in case you want to avail the super program, I will get a certain commission from your purchase. So there's that. So let's continue. I've been using Phonesites since April 2018 and I'm paying the monthly option. I've used it for our real estate business, ADZ Realty and Brokerage here in the Philippines. So far so good, getting leads, getting prospects, and closing some deals. The super program is amazing. Just you can build a web page in under 5 minutes, depending on your internet connection, and also basically adding pictures, depending on the speed of your internet connection. But basically, just create a page, just select a page, and then you edit the headline, sub-headline, and add your content like photos or videos. And then below, you can add your opt-in form where you can follow up your prospect, enter their name or phone number or email. You can do this whatever type of industry you are in, your business, be it like in a mortgage or car sales or selling in real estate, big or small business, you can do this. So I will show you how on a demo. You just have go to a link that I'm going to provide the link below, phonesites.com. So when you sign up there, it's we have the pricing here, 47 per month for the monthly, and then the pro for annual is 447 per year. This is good enough, good investment, okay, for your business. Okay, so once you sign up, you will get a dashboard here. This is your dashboard. So I'm going to show you on my phone. So here, so this is my dashboard right now. One, you're going to create, just click create there, and then you name your website. So right now I have to enter business XYZ or any name of your company that is related to your business. So your business, so your company or your business. So when you create this website, this should be your homepage. So I'm gonna name this for the purpose of this illustration. I just name this business xyz.phonesites.com. So yeah, so that's business xyz.phonesites.com. So basically that's your homepage. So right now in the design section, so we have here three at the top. There's design, there's settings, there's stats. So in the design, you can change the headline. So right now it's black text, and subheadline is black again, but it's smaller. And then you can choose a background color, like for example, try gray, something like that, gray. And then of course, if you want to make a dark background, you need to change your text to a contrast, so lighter color. So after that, add a logo or optional above your headline. That would be an example. I will give an example here. So I have a couple of logos. So if you don't have, just click upload, and there's an option there that you need to trim it under 5 megabytes. So I'm going to show you that later on. But right now, we have this logo, our logo. So it is now aligned left, so we can change it to align center or right side. So right now I'm going to choose center, and then there's an option for logo. We have small, medium, and large. So right now I'm going to try large. Okay, so we have two options for your content. The one we have to your grab attention, that you're going to call to action. So we'll try YouTube video. So right now I have YouTube that I'm going to do as an example here. So copy the link and paste it here. All right, and you have the thumbnail showing up, I guess. Right, that's a thumbnail. And then the form options like name, you can turn off the name, turn on. By default it's turn on, and the email and the button, but you can also turn on the phone, your mobile number if you want to ask for a phone number, and also the street address. You can do that as well. And the button, this is the button for call to action, so you need to change for suitable for your business, like sign me up or demo tour or something like that. And button color, so you can change like black or orange, and also text like white, so contrast, darker and white color, lighter color. And then the disclaimer, so here you need to enter disclaimer text, privacy policy, and the link here. So I need to add my own privacy policy, which is a real privacy policy. So save. After that, save, and let's try refreshing the page. All right, so we have the logo, and also the background. We change the background to something gray or grayish. So I think we need to change it to white to complement the white background of my logo. So save. So I think I finished it in less than 5 minutes. So save, and then refresh. All right, so there's that. Simple, so easy. You can do this through your mobile phone. Okay, so again, we're going to discuss the settings, stats. So on settings, this is for your title meta tag. Like for example, when you share on Facebook, on website, or on Twitter, so this will show up. So you need to change this to your business name, and then you put a description so that the Google will crawl and pick up the description of that particular page or your home page. So this is your amazing company description. Okay, and then you use the image particularly to the page. So I have my uploaded pictures here already, so I'm gonna try this like that. And also, if your design has a form, after they enter their details, so you need to redirect to a next page or external page, depends on you. So you need to redirect to a thank you page. And then also there's an option to send them a thank you email. Okay, so enter your name here, your name, and then the subject of your email, and then the headline, and then the text. By the way, the text, this is a multi line text, so you can first line, second line, like that. I'm gonna try a real text. This is a real text, and paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, it's a multi-line text. So when they receive they will also receive as exactly as what is displayed here. And then at the end, you can have also your call to action button, and then the link to your lead magnet PDF or whatever, audio, video, and then you can send a notification. You enter your email, and then also you can enter your tracking code and a post webhook, and then just click save. All right, and then stats for people who are viewing your page. You can have your views and unique views and the leads. Leads are those people who enter your mm, on the form. Thank you. This is Clifford, and thanks for watching.